Welcome to the API Integration and Webhooks section in LaabamOne.
In this module, you can connect LaabamOne with other applications and automate data exchange using APIs and webhooks. Now we are on the Laabam app dashboard. Scroll down and open the Settings section. Inside Settings, you will find the Integration section where different integration options are available. Inside the Integration section, click on API Keys. Once you click this option, the API Keys dashboard page will open. On the top right corner of the page, you will see a button called API Docs. Click on this button to open the API Documentation tab, where you can learn how to generate and use API keys. In the API Documentation page, scroll down to the Getting Started section. Here you can find options such as Create API Key, Add Headers, and Make Requests, which guide you on how to configure and use the API. Further down, you will see the Available APIs section. In this section, different APIs are listed such as Recruitment API, Lead Capture API, Orders API, and Invoice API. Below the available APIs, you will also find information about rate limiting and error handling, which helps you understand how API requests are managed and how errors are handled. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can click the Contact Support button available in the documentation page to get help from the support team. Now scroll back to the top of the page. On the top right corner, you will see the Manage API Key option. Click on it and then select Create API Key to generate a new API key. The Create API Key page will now open. Here you need to enter the required details such as the API key name, allowed domains, and select the permissions based on your requirements. From the permissions list, you can select the modules you want to allow access to, such as leads, invoices, and orders. Once the permissions are selected, the system will display the rate limits and expiry date for the API key. After entering all the required details, click on Create. The API key will be generated successfully, and you will be redirected back to the API keys dashboard. Next, go back to the Integration section and click on Webhooks. This will open the Webhooks configuration page.
In this section, you can see the list of available webhooks such as StoreCore, Peppol, Razorpay Payments, Stripe Payments, Google Calendar, and other third-party integrations.
At the bottom of the page, you will also find security information, which explains how webhook data is protected and securely transmitted. With LaabamOne API Integration and Webhooks, you can seamlessly integrate external systems and automate workflows. Enhance your business operations and improve connectivity with LaabamOne.